We've all struggled at some point to find the perfect realistic background for our render images. So in this video, let's learn how to add realistic backgrounds to renders that have empty or plain skies. I have these photos taken from the project site. They capture the actual background scenes around the building. And here, I have my 3D renders with an empty background. Let's open both the 3D render and the background photo in Photoshop. I want to place these hills in the background of the rendered building. First, let's remove the sky from the background photo. This will make it much easier to blend with the sky in our 3D render. Go to Select and click Sky. Delete the selected sky area to make it transparent. Next, let's select the building area in the 3D render. I'm using the polygonal lasso tool, but you can use any selection method you're comfortable with. Once the building is selected, make sure to deselect the gaps and openings. Don't worry about the plants for now. We'll restore them later. Right-click and choose Select Inverse to select the background area instead of the building. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected background as a new layer. Now, drag and drop the hill image above this new background layer. Right-click the hill image and choose Create Clipping Mask. This ensures the hill only appears in the background area. Resize and position the image until it fits naturally behind the building. I'm duplicating the same layer to fill the other side of the background as well. To bring back the leaves and plants that got covered by the hill layer, select the hill layer and try different blending options. Here, the darken blending mode works best. Finally, reduce the opacity of the background layer slightly to make it look more natural and subtle. And that's it. Now we have our final render with a realistic background added seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.